Yo, I just want to start this video by saying I'm not trying to flex. I'm just trying to show you guys and educate you guys on how YouTube Shorts is working and how it's paying me. So if you guys couldn't read the title, I'm only 16 years old. And as you guys just saw, that was about $33,600 in my YouTube AdSense. And if y'all boys don't believe me, you can see the past 7 days. Boom, 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 boom. Look at these damn numbers. Last month I made about 10K, which is very, very good. But compared to now where I'm making more than that a week, it is just absolutely insane. You can see this month I started doing like 200 a day. That's not even bad, honestly. But then we started peaking up here, 700, and then we got even better. If y'all post on YouTube Shorts, you probably know about music deals, and yes, I do it as well. I'm pretty sure everyone doesn't. But there's about 6,500 right there, so I'm not clickbaiting you. I did make about 40K. And if you guys want to sign up, it's in the description. I'm not gonna yap too much. I think most of you guys know how it works. You just put music in the background of your shorts, and that's it. But yeah, I wasn't trying to flex. I'm just trying to educate you guys. And I'm also trying to document this because I want to see how much further I can come. I really don't feel like I can do better than this because I was literally doing 10K last month. I didn't even think I would ever make 40K in my life, but we did it. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it was easy for me, but if you're starting out, this is not easy because you have to get into the algorithm. You have to learn the algorithm. You have to learn a bunch of stuff. So a lot of people are gonna tell you it's easy. I'm gonna tell you guys it's not that easy. I am making a Discord. You guys can check in the description if you want to join. I'm trying to help you guys like grow your channels. I'm not selling a course. I'm just doing like affiliates, if y'all know what I mean. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, let me know in the comments, subscribe, and I'm out.